Oh my God, I got asked this question this morning. How do I add new sections to my LinkedIn profile, and what types of content can I put on my LinkedIn profile? I'm going to show you that answer in this video. So right here it is, add profile section. That's where you get to all of the sections that are available to put on your LinkedIn profile. And before I dive into those, let me let you know that you can't rearrange these sections. I can't move the about section. I can't move the experience section. I can't move licenses. That they are all fixed. They will show up in the order in which the app wants them to show up. You do have the ability in under the experience section to adjust where these items show up based on the dates, the timeline, and you also have the ability to move I believe skills. I know you can rearrange the skills. There's a button right here called reorder. I think it's under 3 dots, reorder. And then there's a few others that you have the ability to impact how they show up. But for the most part, they're going to show up in the order that you put them, or they're going to show up in, what's the word I'm looking for, the timing, based on the chronological date of the content within each of these sections. Now, how do you add these sections? Again, right here it is on your profile when you're logged into your account. But watch what happens when I scroll down, and now where is it? It's over here, add profile sections. Now, by the way, I can click on that to add them, or I can also go down here and hit the plus to add featured. I can come down here and I can hit the plus to add experience. I can hit the plus. Anytime you see the plus, you can add a new section. But when I go here, let me show you how to interpret this. There's 4 primary pieces to your profile. The core section, which is education, position, career, and skills. Recommended, which is featured, licenses, certs, projects, courses, and recommendations. And then additional, which used to have a different name, but under additional you have volunteer, publications, patents, honors and awards, test scores, languages, organizations, and causes. So when you go to add any one of these from here, it will take whatever you add. If I hit add a course, it'll bring up the add a course box. And when I populate it, it will stick this down in the course section, which is, where's my course section? Below recommendations, I think, publications. It'll add it right here. So bottom line, you can go to any existing section and hit a plus button. Go to add profile section, find the section that you want to add, and when you add it, it'll bring up the dialog box for you to populate, and then when you fill it out, it'll stick it on your LinkedIn profile where it belongs. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn, the sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.